I know some type love money can buy.
Morning beauties, good morning. I hope you are doing well. I just came from dropping my kids from school this morning. I don't know what to do. Till right now my day is not inspired. It's the first time that I feel like I'm not inspired for the day. First of all, I was thinking of making a tutorial, but I'm not inspired and I don't feel it. I got it. Why not, guys, bringing you out today? We're gonna cook our main dishes. Yoo-hoo! Our main dishes is I'm from Congo, by the way, from all of you guys watching me. Our main dishes, we call it Fumbwa. I was thinking, why not do something different that I never bring out for you guys? Today we're not glamming, we're gonna cook. See you guys. Anyway, guys, I just noticed like I have to cook. We have to cook with you guys, but I have nothing on my freezer. I have no Fumbwa at home. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to the grocery store. We're gonna go in African store so we can get ourselves Fumbwa. But you know, guys, I can't leave the house like this, you know. It's Queen Marinette. We need to glam. See ya. Okay guys, here I'm taking plantain because we're gonna make some plantain because what I'm cooking today. Here I'm taking kwanga, we call it chikwang. I don't know, it's a cassava. Yeah, more the main ingredient that we're gonna use for here. This one here is mamba, it's peanut butter. Okay guys, after buying all those groceries, so right now because I'm running behind time, it's rush hour, so right now I'm running so fast to go pick my kids in school because I'm already late. It's already 11 past 50, so normally they come out from in 40, so I'm already 10 minutes late, so I'm gonna run fast. So guys, see you all on my kitchen. Okay guys, we're back home, so we're gonna start cooking. We're gonna start cooking our kitchen. I always advise you guys where to wear to protect your clothes because when we are cooking it's so messy, you know. So I'm just gonna protect my clothes before everything. Normally I had to tie my hair, but you know, I'm gonna keep it like, you know. Before starting anything in the kitchen, first you have to make sure that you wash your hands. Il faut toujours laver les mains parce que on a été dehors même avant de toucher tout, même à la maison, il y a trop de saleté.
Mais oui, c'est clair.
We're gonna start our Fumbwa. This is normally I always buy fresh Fumbwa, but this one is the first time I'm cooking with the one is freeze. So I'm gonna open it and then I'm gonna pour it here. I don't wash it first, I just put it straight. You see how I wash it differently. I put it straight to cook. Oh, okay. All right. This is my fresh. It helps you throw things later. Okay. Open water. I'm gonna put it straight on heat. Comme j'ai dit, moi je lave pas encore les fous. Moi je les mets directement au feu et je vais vous montrer comment je les lave en état. Okay. So I put it here straight here on the heat. Well, first I'm gonna wash the spring onion. I'm gonna blend it. This second thing here, you're taking the green pepper. J'utilise les poivrons. I'm slicing it big pieces because it's gonna be bland. I'm gonna take, oh my god, on va couper le céleri. Il faut bien laver parce qu'il y a trop de sable dessus dedans. I'm gonna rinse, I'm gonna wash it because it's so dirty. right now, what you guys notice, I'm doing the smoked fish. Smoked fish is like it's like one of the basic ingredients inside. Inside is to give like a good taste, you know, good taste on it. Sorry, not good taste, good taste on it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to wash it really good because there's a lot of grounds inside on it. There's too much sand on it, so you have to wash it really good. Là, je suis en train de laver les poissons fumés. Parce qu'il faut bien le laver, comme aussi j'ai mes enfants qui mangent. Donc il faut enlever, il faut être vraiment sûr de bien enlever les arrêts. Okay, that's why I told you everybody, like, I don't wash it first. It's not like when I'm gonna wash it really good. I do believe when it boils, it's more easier to wash. Donc comme je vous avais dit, hein, donc moi je la face, maintenant je vais laver, je laisse d'abord bouillir. Et après je viens laver. Ok, là maintenant je vais les... I'm gonna dry it. Je vais les passer dans le passoire. Because you know, if you don't know how to cook it, if you don't do it, sometimes it can turn off bitter. So you have to. For me, I always I tell you guys it's better first to boil that water to remove first the first water because it's the one that has those bitterness. I'm gonna dry again the water. Donc j'aime bien rincer parce que souvent, pour moi, quand tu les cuisines comme ça, tu gardes l'eau que tu as bouillie avec. Souvent, ça amer. Hein? Donc c'est le moment que je les lave maintenant à fond pour être sûr vraiment que j'ai tout enlevé. You see, there's a lot of sand inside. You see, il y a beaucoup de sable. C'est ça que je dis, il faut toujours. Moi, je préfère toujours les bouillir pour enlever tous les sables. Tu vois, il y a beaucoup. Donc, as you see, there's a lot of sand. So it's good first before rinsing it. When you buy it, just make sure you boil it. So when you boil it, you have like everything just release from the food. Okay, we are back again. This is the second time that I'm gonna boil it, and then we're gonna remove the water. The same progress that we did. So we're gonna do the same thing. This is the second time I put it back on the stove. Donc c'est pour la deuxième fois que je le remets encore. Ça va encore bouillir et puis refaire encore la même procédure. Enlever l'eau, rincer. So like what I like doing is to put some stripe on it like this. So it's to help the spice go inside the fish. Donc on fait les petits arrêts, c'est pour que les épices pénètrent bien dedans. Donc écoute nakati vraiment makasi. So I like always put lemon is to kill all the yaki, you know. Il faut toujours mettre les citrons. Les citrons c'est bien pour enlever les nausées et tout. First I'm gonna put my jimbo, you know. So jimbo, pas beaucoup, because I don't like when it's too spicy. Too salty. J'aime pas quand c'est trop salé. What I'm gonna take the spice that I just blended. I'm gonna put 1, 2. So that's good. So everything's like well put inside. So I will leave it to rest like for, you know, good 1 hour. I'll leave this to, like, you know, to marinate very good. Donc je vais le garder des côtés. Ça va bien mariner au moins pendant 1 heure du temps. Normalement, je vous conseille toujours de le faire à la veille, mais là, j'avais pas d'idée comme j'ai dit au début de cette vidéo. So I just do it like this. I didn't have time, so you can do it overnight, you know, the night before. So you can stay overnight, but as we don't have that time, we are starving. But this is the 4th time that I have to drown the water. Donc ça c'est la 4e fois que j'ai enlevé l'eau et là maintenant notre fumbwa sera prête pour faire la sauce. It's gonna be ready to fry it, you know. So I'm gonna start our main dishes fumbwa. You have to cook it with palm oil. I put the cloth because I don't want it messy because it's so messy, you know. And everything is white. It's a lot of work after. So donc on fait notre fumbwa avec l'huile de palme. Okay. So when you put palm oil, the first thing you have to leave the palm oil get cooked. Because if you just go straight up when you're eating, you have the taste, you know, the taste of palm oil. So you have to make sure the palm oil take good time to be cooked very well before you pour anything. Donc comme j'ai dit, il faut laisser le temps au l'huile de palme de bien cuire. Sinon, quand vous mangez, vous avez le goût arrière de l'huile de palme. Alright, so this is like all the mix that I did. This is our mix that we do. So I'm gonna pour it inside. Okay. I think I did a lot. So I'm gonna keep some leftover. Yeah, you can always keep the leftover, you can freeze it. So it can help me for another dish that I'm gonna make. Because it can go in everything. Donc là j'ai mis. Donc comme j'ai dit, j'ai fait des trop. En fait j'ai trop mis. Donc les restes, même si vous arrivez comme moi, donc les restes tu peux toujours les congeler. Donc tu les mets dans une boîte et puis tu mets dans le congélateur. Ça peut servir pour un autre plat. So leave it to be cooked. So I'm gonna leave it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover because it's palm oil. I don't want palm oil all over. So I'm just gonna cover it up. So you see our mix is still like frying really good because I want it to be really fried. You have to fry it very well. Take your time to fry it because long as that is fried, long as that the taste comes. Donc je prends bien le temps de bien frire, très bien frire. Le plus bien que c'est frit, c'est plus bon que ça donne dans la nourriture. Donc faut bien frire, c'est important. Sorry guys, I forgot on my onions. I forgot to put ginger and garlic on the fish. J'avais oublié de mettre assaisonner avec les ginger et l'ail. Donc là, je vais ajouter juste une cuillère. Et j'ajoute encore que ça reste bien assaisonné. Okay. You see, our mix is like frying very well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 1 spoon of ginger inside, of garlic ginger. Donc j'ai mis une cuillère de mélange de l'ail et de gingembre. Turn it very well. Je vais bien mélanger et laisser encore au moins 5 minutes de cuire. 5 minutes, I'm back again. So right now what I'm gonna put is our tomatoes. I'm gonna pour tomato inside. Et donc je vais verser les tomates. That's bien cuit. It's ready. So I'm ready with my tomato. And then I'm gonna leave it to cook again. So I'm gonna leave it again to cook at least 20 minutes. Donc ça va au moins cuisiner au moins pendant 20 minutes. So our sauce is ready. Now we are like 30 minutes past. So we're gonna pour on our fumbwa. On va mettre les fumbwa. Ça fait déjà plus de 30 minutes que la sauce est tout faite. So what I like doing first, I just fry it. Take good time to fry the fumbwa very well. I don't put nothing, just to fry it. Donc je prends bien d'abord le temps, je mets juste le fumbwa sel et je vais laisser d'abord bien au feu, bien les frire bien au feu avant de mettre tout. Avant d'ajouter le beurre de cacahuètes. Before putting peanut butter, first I need to fry it very well. As I said, it was already washed, boiled, everything. It's just a clean fumbwa that you're putting in. Sorry guys, I didn't had enough fish, so I didn't buy. I just took a little that leftover that I had at home that I'm gonna put. Donc comme j'ai dit, j'avais pas assez de poissons fumés. Donc je me suis juste retrouvée juste avec un peu. Je crois qu'il y avait assez, mais je n'avais pas assez, donc j'ai juste mis un peu. I like frying the fumbwa really well. Donc comme j'ai dit, moi je l'ai pris vraiment. Okay, so I'm gonna put our jimbo. Me, I don't put salt because I use this already as a salt. So I just think it's already salty, so I don't use salt. Donc I'm gonna put jimbo. I think I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons. Donc comme je dis, moi je n'utilise pas du sel, j'utilise le jimbo. Donc je vais mettre 2 cuillères à soupe de jimbo. Okay. Parce que le jimbo c'est déjà salé. Hein? Et 2. That's it. So I like using, as you see, it's a paprika. I like putting it little. I'm sorry guys, the video just went off. I put also some white paper inside. Donc comme je disais, je mets les paprika, les poivres noirs, poivre blanc. So after 20 minutes of frying the fumbwa very well, so I just think now is ready to add water in. So I'm gonna pour the mixed water. Like, you know, I just washed the mix that I did. I'm gonna pour a little, not too much water on the fumbwa. Donc, comme je dis, après avoir frit les fumbwa pendant 20 minutes, j'ajoute un peu d'eau. C'est l'eau que j'avais utilisée pour le mix. Donc, j'ai ajouté un peu, que je vais laisser bouillir avant d'ajouter le beurre de cacahuètes. Parce que si on ajoute très tôt, sinon ça commence à coller dans le marmite, comme ça brûle. Donc, c'est ça que je vais prévenir après, quand c'est presque cuit, que je mets notre beurre de cacahuètes, notre mwamba. Like I said, so I'm going to leave it to cook. I'm not going to add straight up the peanut butter, because when you put it straight up, peanut butter, it gets burned fast, easily. So I'm going to leave it first to cook by itself, and then I'll add the peanut butter. So now our fumbwa is boiling very well. Now it's ready to receive the peanut butter. Like I said, notre fumbwa est vraiment arrivé au point. Maintenant, je vais mettre les beurre de cacahuètes, on va ajouter les mwamba et je vais baisser le feu. For this. I'm gonna lower down the heat. I'll leave it in 5. No, I think, yeah, 5 is enough. I'll come in for it. Just go like this. Okay, you can see now we are here. Our peanut is trying to get open. It's trying to blend. It's trying to blend inside. So what I'll advise you, leave it again, because sometimes if you don't blend it good when you're eating, you have, like, you know, the peanuts. Donc comme j'ai dit, il faut bien laisser couvrir. On baisse le feu dans une basse température pour que notre beurre de cacahuètes arrive à se détacher. Donc, sinon, souvent quand on mange, vous mangez la beurre de cacahuètes, c'est pas bon. So we are seeing here. So guys, you can see here our peanut butter. It's all over the fumbwa. It's open now. Notre beurre de cacahuètes c'est bien fondu dans la sauce. Je vais encore laisser un peu, disons 15 minutes comme ça. So now I'm showing you guys how we cut the squang, how we cut the cassavas, whatever, I don't know how to call it, but it's the meat. It's based with cassava, the squanga. So the first thing we start doing is removing those ends, is to throw, you can't eat it. I just heat it on the microwave. Huh? I heat it too much, I don't think it's... Our food is ready. Bon appetit. My fish, I just put it in the oven. It depends if you want to fry it, you can fry it, but me I avoid oil, so I put it in the oven. I wanted it like dry, sorry, forgive my nails. So that's it. Donc on est arrivé à la fin de notre cuisine aujourd'hui. Le poisson, moi je l'ai mis au fourneau, je l'ai mis dans le four parce que j'aime pas quand c'est trop frit, parce que j'évite un peu d'huile. Donc je l'ai mis au four. Donc là je vais aller manger. Je dis bon appétit. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy our cooking videos. So please guys, subscribe, like, comment the video, share the video, and guys, you can share with me some ideas on the fumbwa, how you cook it, you know. You're working as a cooking team, you know. Okay guys, merci encore à tous de m'avoir suivi. Commentez, partagez la vidéo, likez la vidéo. Ben, vous pouvez aussi me proposer vos commentaires en bas. À la prochaine vidéo. Bye beauties.